What's that cracking?
I don't know.
First time using raker. I don't know if I did it right. Hopefully I did.
So basically here we have a new type of tow truck. Or maybe not.
It's called raker.
Yeah. How it works is instead of putting it on the bed, it's like those old types that you would think of, but not a simple wire. More realistically, it looks like that. Don't know how to explain it.
Love to play with these toys. These are big boys' toys. Picked up my own van just to see how this thing works.
So we're gonna be careful with this thing. And the main challenge with it will be trying to back up back into our driveway. Because it's like a semi-truck, but I mean, I don't know, I feel like it would be a little different from that. Maybe even harder.
I have to focus on my face all the time.
Not really trying to.
Why are you not talking today? You can talk 24/7. Loading process, my cameraman editor was sleeping, so I didn't do that. I can do the unloading process. He woke up.
So yeah, basically we have here our good tower and recorder Gil. Well, actually recorder for most of them. And I here am the editor. And though I feel like maybe I'm not that good, I'm still learning and he's still learning. It's all a good process.
You learn throughout your life.
Yeah.
Every day you learn something new.
Alright, we're coming back around the block. Here's our downstretch, turn left, and then there's our driveway. So again, the main challenge here is gonna be getting the car into the driveway, because that might be a little risky. We've been using a GoPro to record, and I feel like on bumpy cars like this, if I'm holding my arms up, because we're not really using anything to attach it to our dash cam,
and you can record it from outside.
You can get really bouncy. So that's the good thing about GoPros, they really balance it out. All right. It pretty much is the same as a semi-truck with its bed. In reality, it's the same. It's like you have the truck, and you have to be turning the opposite way in which this car has to go. The trailer, or in this case, yeah, the car. So we see you know what? Screw commentary. Go learn about semi-trucks instead. Now, we don't actually own one of these trucks, but we have borrowed it from our fellow company, ANS Towing. A friend of his runs it, and you know, if you ever have a towing problem, you can also call Buddy. So you can go check that out. job. Check if these tires are going in the ditch, because if it is, he's gonna have to turn more, go a little forward. So, well, we just simply don't want it crushing into the ditch. So you might have to turn a little more this way, so this has a sharper angle to turn at. But remember, or at least if you don't know, I guess the thing about semi-trucks is that if you turn a little too much and your trailer goes all wonky, it is very hard to fix it. Or at least in my opinion, I guess it is. Yeah. It's heading there. You might miss it, but it's really heading towards the ditch.
Okay.
We're also practicing. We can always help you with any of your towing needs, or at least, I guess. Thank you for the people who have viewed our videos. It's not too much, but it means a lot that we're not just getting like 5 or 4 views. Like, they're long form videos, and though people just might watch for about a minute or so, and that's not a lot. Because long form videos nowadays, it's like, geez, I'm surprised you're not it's surprising that you're not a big channel, but you're getting a good amount of views. And I don't want to say anything about it. I'm just saying, thanks. I think you're good. The only problem with this is that this entire video is going to be almost taken up by just the process of backing up into the driveway. A little bit of it was around the block. A little bit of it's going to be taking it down. But so much of it was just backing up. If you guys can deal with it.
First thing first. Shafts. I always use gloves. I have it. It's in my truck. Never touch it without gloves.
You want to say why you need gloves?
Yeah, because you don't want to hurt your hands.
Yeah, but what hurts your hands?
Press this thing and move it, take it off. Here, I put another under this hook. I don't know if I put it right. Should have put it right there. First time. Right there. You press this button right there, PTO, and now as like a video game. Now we're gonna boom down button. Oops, gotta go slow. Oops.
So basically, this is a controller for the trunk, and that boom down button is like very, very sensitive. A little click, and you saw that van going. Be careful. We've had that for so many years now. Still learning.
So this is, see behind the tire thing, that thing, it unfolds that, and you hear the clutch sound, that's closing. And now we're gonna do winch in, winch out, and another winch. Pull up a little bit. I think flatbed is me.
Don't say bread.
I was about to.
Yeah, it's hitting the floor over here. Isn't that cool? Like a cross, an arch. Oh my, oh my!
Oopsie.
Oopsie poopsie. Yeah, that's a problem. Was it supposed to fall like that?
No.
Like I said, still learning.
Okay. You can cut it out. We have to edit this part.
Oh, of course.
Yes, for sure. Oh, you know what happened? I know what happened.
I can just continue recording and then I like cut it all out. It's okay. That's what I do.
Over one, but under my hand.
We're still learning, okay? Self-taught.
Now stay this side.
That's fair enough.
This is no group right now.
Don't destroy the van.
Have to close it already. Look, when you close it already right here.
Well, would that be it for today?
Peace out.